The VinFast VF6 has achieved a full 5-star safety rating under Bharat NCAP, January 2026. Scoring 27.1332 in Adult Occupant Protection and 44.4149 in Child Occupant Protection. This makes it one of the safest compact electric SUVs certified in India. Bharat NCAP results for VinFast VF6. Adult Occupant Protection, AOP 27.1332. Child Occupant Protection, COP 44.4149. Overall rating, 5-star, highest tier. Crash test performance, maximum scores for head, neck, and upper leg protection in frontal impact tests. Weakness noted, slightly weaker protection for the driver's chest despite the overall 5-star rating. Why this matters for India? Consumer confidence. A 5-star Bharat NCAP rating is a strong selling point in India, where safety ratings are increasingly influencing EV purchase decisions. Compact SUV appeal. The VF6 is positioned as a smaller, more affordable EV compared to the VF7, making it attractive for urban buyers in cities like Coimbatore and Sula. Family-friendly, high child occupant scores make it suitable for families prioritizing safety. Considerations. Availability. VinFast is still building its dealership and service network in India, so rollout in Tier 2 cities like Sula may take longer. Competition. Rivals such as Tata Nexon EV and Milligram ZS EV also emphasize safety and may have stronger after-sale support locally. Price factor. VinFast's pricing strategy will determine whether the VF6 can compete effectively against established Indian EV brands. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one.